Good morning, everybody. I hope you are all doing well. Me and Emery and my nephew, her cousin Wesley, we are all going to head up to the Nashville Cars and Coffee, and we are just headed to go pick up Wesley right now. And you'll notice that I am filming on the big DSLR this morning. We're going to be rocking the T6i, so brace yourselves for some very high quality content coming at you.
I don't know if I'm changing over. In the moonlight I can't kill this feeling sober, so I start to come alive. I don't know what starts to control me. I let it go, another soul that's underneath. I don't really care about this all. It's the fall that kills me. With our back against the wall, just feed the beast and you'll see. Wait for me. I don't die inside my reality. Wait for me. I don't want your mind to remember me.
All right, we have officially made it. Ooh, look, an RSX. How about that? How about that? We obviously came in the good old Silverado right over there. We got a Holden GTO. Very cool, very cool. A Honda Civic, of course, a sedan Honda Civic. Here is where the magic happens, folks. We have got a bagged GTR just on the freaking ground. Let's ask Emery what she thinks of it. What do you think of the bagged GTR? She's not a fan. Obviously not a fan, folks. Yeah, so don't do this. Don't do this to your GTR. Let's get some snacks. We're getting the baby some snacks, folks. This is the highlight of our day. What are you thinking? 40 weight? 50 weight? 40 weight sounds nice. Do we need to get out of your way?
No, you're fine.
Okay.
Full carbon steering wheel too.
Look at this cam reception right here. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa.
Carbon steering wheel.
Forged carbon. That's so cool. All right, here we go. Cheeto time, ladies and gents. Here you go, my love. That's the good stuff right there, right? We got the fan going. I mean, she couldn't be living a better life right now. I dig this. That is cool. That is very cool. Love the Z too, though. Wheels look good. You got a lowered Silverado. See, that's different. That's the exact opposite of what I do. See, the only time I would do that to a truck is if it was a single cab. I wouldn't do it to that. But I mean, to each his own. BRZ, we got an S14 over there. I think we need another Cheeto. Here you are, dear. That's right, yeah, Cheetos. All right, what do you think about the Lamborghini, baby? Do you like the yellow car? Do you like the yellow car? You like the people, don't you?
Oh, this is a Huracan Evo. This is one of the new Huracans. Like
oh, this is a Huracan
Evo. Yeah.
It's very cool. Very
one
cool.
Of the new ones.
Oh yeah, it doesn't have the octagonal or hexagonal gas lid like the Aventador does. Yeah, so this is a Huracan, ladies and gents. What, baby? What? You like that car? Yeah, those are fuel wheels.
I like those. Too.
Yeah, those are the exact same wheels that were on that Silverado. Oh yeah, look at here. This is my style right here. I like it. All right, what do you think about this one? This one is an NSX. It's kind of like Daddy's RSX, except a million times better. I dig this. I love it a lot. Got the NSX on the calipers, of course. Love the wheels too, they look good. Very basic, very clean. Cobra Mustang, Ford Maverick, that's cool. And we've got a red GTR, a Camaro, a Challenger. Oh yeah, I can't forget about the Mini Cooper. That's what I'm gonna get Kenzie. Let's go over there and film that so that way she knows exactly what she's getting. All right, Kenzie, this is what you're getting right here. Just gonna get you this little car right here. You're gonna be just like Jason Statham in the Italian Job. It's gonna be good. I can touch the front windshield and the back windshield simultaneously. All right, this is the moment of truth right here. Here we go. Emery, what do you think about this car? I know it looks like it's your size, and it is, but what do you think about getting something like this for mommy?
She's moving around a lot. I think that means a yes.
I think this is definitive proof that she needs another Cheeto.
I cannot just drag radials on the back.
Yep, CTSV probably, if I had to guess. Water brake. I know this looks like Gatorade, but it's not. It's water with Mio. Ooh, let's go look at that GT500. Let's go around and go look at that. That looks like fun. I didn't even notice. Look at that. A D-Series Honda engine in a Mini Cooper. Oh my God. Does this thing still have cruise control?
I mean, probably. It's stick.
I can't remember if
no,
that...
it doesn't. It's stick shift.
Well, you can have cruise control with stick shift. Yeah. But this is an aftermarket intake manifold. I can't remember if that is cruise control or if that's like the wiper motor or something like that. I think it's the wiper motor. It may not have cruise control, but that's okay.
It would be fun to drive.
This is the first engine. It's a D-Series Honda engine. It is a D16Y8. So that is a VTEC engine. That is the very first engine that I ever worked on, except my engine was a D16Y7. It did not have VTEC. The Y7s did not have VTEC, but I put a Y8 head on it and I got VTEC.
Oh, there comes another Huracan Y8.
White Huracan. Oh, look at that. Let's get a zoom. Look at that. Moving on. Probably the best looking car here, in my opinion. So everyone else, go home. You'll never be as cool as this van. There's my favorite car in the whole world. One day that will be mine. Best car, okay, in all seriousness, best car ever designed, ever. 1970 SS Chevelle or Malibu, I don't even care. Best looking car to ever exist. Now here's the second best car to ever exist, the ZL1. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man. Oh man.
Needs black wheels.
Needs a bigger wang.
It just doesn't look right with those wheels.
Now, love the calipers, but is it a manual? Indeed, it is a manual, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Emery, your next test. What do you think about this supercharged beast? Now, take your time in answering this. What do you think about it? Cheeto, exactly. That's what I thought too. Goodbye, my love. I'll see you again one day. Here we go. Let's check out the one Mustang that I would part with money to own. I would own this. Oh yes, dear. Very pretty. Very pretty. Shelby GT500 with the giant brakes. Giant. What?
These didn't come with manuals.
They didn't come with manuals? I'd still probably drive it. I'd tell you what, I'd get it for Kenzie. She could have this. But look at the size, if you will, of the front brake calipers and rotors. They're bigger than most wheels, ladies and gentlemen. My goodness. We're gonna go over here and check out these two Ducatis. We're gonna check these things out. Looks like we got a couple of Panigales over here. One of them is definitely a Panigale. The other one, I'm not real sure what it is. It might be just a lower trim, but they both look gorgeous. So this is the Panigale B4S. It's got the wings on it because these things can literally fly, ladies and gentlemen. You know, those wings will extend and they'll leave the ground. You can fly wherever you want to. This one right here is a Super Sport. I'm not real sure what that means as far as the trim is concerned. It might just be a Ducati Super Sport for all I know. Single-sided swing arm. I've always dig the single-sided swing arm. I love the look of it. Acropovic exhaust. This thing looks brand new, ladies and gentlemen. It's still got the fender on it. It's a good safety feature. I love the tubular frame. Looks really, really clean. So that being said, let's look at some more cars.
Definitely a project.
Yeah, love the drift stitched 300ZX right there. We did get here a little bit late, so there are a lot of people leaving, but we're still getting to see a lot of really cool cars. Oh, G35 with my wheels on it. Very nice, very nice. I love it. I like how the front wheels actually have a different offset than the rear wheels. You can tell by the spokes. The spokes on the front have to curve inward, where the rear ones go pretty much straight out and up. So let's go over here and check out this legit looking Indy car. It looks like this thing has probably been a few places. It's very clean though. It's very, very clean. Do not touch. All right. Wasn't planning on it. One thing that I do really love about it is, look at that. What's it say on the front? The most important name out there, yes. Powered by Honda. Of course it is.
You see where this thing's gonna be racing?
Huh?
Right the side of it.
Big Machine Music City Grand Prix, August 8, 2021, Nashville, Tennessee. So, this thing might be a brand new car, and it's going to debut at the Nashville Super Speedway. Very cool. Yes, definitely get a photo of that. Here you go, doll. I want to look at this G35 and see the different sizes of tires that are on it, because these rear wheels look huge. So they've got the old school RPF1 center caps, very neat looking, very neat. They got the Brembo single pot calipers, and these tires are 295/30 ZR18s. That is a very wide tire, my friends, very, very wide. I think mine on the RSX, at the biggest that they've been, are 245s. So we got a whole other 50 millimeters there worth of rubber. That's pretty good. And it's a very deep recess. It's the actual offset is pretty awesome, because you can see how far in that the hub goes in for the wheel itself. That's pretty cool. I like it. Let's compare that with the front. You can see the fronts are not nearly as extreme. Yeah, so the fronts are 245/40 18. So that's besides the 18, mine I run 17s. That is about the size that I run on the RSX, is 245/40s. So that there you can see the difference. Of course, the G35 is a rear-wheel drive car. It's basically a 350Z in Infinity clothing. I like it. So what?
You gonna get race bucket seats like that from the RSX?
Maybe I might. I'm kind of a big guy anyway, so it's really hard to find racing seats that fit me good. But if I can find some like some Brides or something, or maybe some Recaros, I'd be happy. We got a Bel Air of some vintage. It looks like a 55, 56, 57 year model Bel Air. Let's see how close we were. 55 Chevy, yes, love it. Try 5 Chevy. The Mack truck, the ultimate tow rig. This is Mater on steroids, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the eyes. Look at the menacing eyes.
Come on, BMW Supra.
That's hilarious. Look at the Civic squad over here. Look at this. Look at all the new Civics. We got a blue Type R. Very cool. Respect. The rest of these just look like some sport coupes and SIs. The pink one's cool. I like the pink. Very neat. We've got an S15 Silvia. It's actually an S14 with an S15 front end conversion. You can tell by the rear end, but still very, very neat. We got an Accord, you know, the man's muscle car right there. 370Z, Veil side with the wide body on the front and back. We got a few more motorcycles out there in the back, couple of Mustangs, but I think we have seen the majority of things. Then we've got the new Mitsubishi Lancer, I suppose. I guess you could call it an Evo, if you really, really wanted to. Honestly, it's kind of sad that they don't make the Evo anymore. I feel like if Mitsubishi was given another shot, then they would probably do a better job at designing a car. Honestly, I could have just taken the Evo 9 with maybe just a little bit more of a update to it, honestly. I mean, honestly, I think it's a perfect looking car, but the Evo 10s they're not bad. Definitely not bad. You can make them really, really fast. The automatics with the paddle shifters, I think those can handle a ton of power.
I really like the look of BMWs, like M series of BMWs. I really do.
I honestly probably wouldn't mind owning one of those one day. I actually was looking, what kind of wheels are those? Those aren't fuels. What are those? Does it say?
Forged Tark.
Forged, okay, cool. Whenever I was working, I actually looked at buying an M2 or something, you know, kind of a lower model BMW. I also looked at an Audi S3 because I heard that with light modifications, those are pretty quick, or was it an S5? I don't remember. We got a GMC Sierra here, extended cab, a little bit smaller of a truck compared to the Silverado here. I mean, if you got a crew cab, they'd be the exact same truck, but you know what I mean. All right. And that is going to be it for our Cars and Coffee adventure. We will be back a lot sooner than we did next time.
Had fun.
Had fun, yeah, always have fun.
Not as many cars as last time, but oh well.
Well, we were late. If we would have been here at 5 a.m., we would have seen a lot more.
Yeah.
But you got to do what you got to do when you're dad. So anyway, we're going to go and grab some food. But until next time, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next one. Take care and have a great night.
I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways